Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds Edifier X5 Pro. And firstly I will show you default gestures, and then I will show you how to customize it, because I think you need to customize it to make something better than by default. So by default, firstly, the touch areas located at the back side of your earbuds, right here at the top, we have it. Now, let me open the application. With a double press on your left earbud, you can swap between ambient sound controls. So just press 2 times. Now we use ANC, 1, 2. We swap to transparency, 1, 2. Now I swap to normal mode, 1, 2, and I return to ANC. With double press on your right earbud, you can play or pause the song. So now, 1, 2, I pause the song, 1, 2, I play a song. Next one, we have a triple press at the right earbud, and with it you can play next track, 1, 2, 3, and as you can see it works. Triple press on your left earbud will enable or disable game mode. To show it for you also I need to open the application. Now it disable, 1, 2, 3, I just enable it, 1, 2, 3, and I disable it. And then we have press and hold, and by default for press and hold for the both left and right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, I will call Google Assistant or maybe Gemini. Now press and hold. And as you can see, my voice assistant awake. Now, how to customize it? To do this, you need to also use Edifier Connect application. Open it. And you need to add these earbuds to the app. If you don't know how to do this or how to install and set up this application, you can watch a video at this channel. Then you go to the settings at the right top and to control settings. And right here you can customize it. As you can see, by default it uses for the double press sound control. Right here we have triple press, and under that we have press and hold. And it's the same with the right one, you need to swap on it. And right here we also. And you can set it for, let's say, volume up and volume down the music, so to volume control. You can set it to play previous track, because by default you cannot play previous track, and volume control also. But it's up to you. And this channel we have video how to customize it. So you can check it also if you want to. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!